our strongest when we connect. And one of my most enjoyable points of connection is when I can be in a room with a beautiful group of women that are walking a similar path to mine. My name is Dr. Joan Samuels-Dennis. I'm the founder and the director of Becoming, an organization that's all about spiritually informing and transforming lives. Last year, I had the opportunity to host a fantastic event called Lifting the Veil. In the stunning backdrop of the Royal Ambassador Event Center, we moved through an unforgettable journey. We started the day rediscovering our deepest desires for our life, our careers, our relationships. And then we examined the significant moments in our lives that create stumbling blocks and stop us from showing up as our best selves. We finished the day by literally lifting the veil from over our eyes. We developed goals and set intentions for what the upcoming year was going to look like. It was a beautiful day, not only for the lovely women who were present, but for me as well. This year, the name of my Becoming event is Rising. On Saturday, September 15th, we're going to talk about rising from the ashes, rising from fear to love, bringing peace, joy, hope into every sphere of our lives. So I invite you to join me and rise.